are we here?
There is a light festival going on. It's the last day actually. We tried to come here yesterday, but it was chucking it down with rain the whole drive.
And it's about a 45 to an hour drive from us, so it's a complete waste of a day. It was awful, absolutely awful. But on a brighter note, we're here.
We're finally here.
And it's beautiful. The day's not bad, it's looking nice.
Yeah, it's like almost 6 right now, isn't it?
It's monsoon season, that's why the waves are so crazy.
Yeah, hence the rain and all that as well. Yeah. It's still quite warm actually.
Yes, it is quite warm. Are you coming in? For a bit, just a little bit? We've actually been to this beach before and we attempted to film a video here. It was the first time we've ever been here, and we'll play those clips of that situation now. If you're wondering why we're under an umbrella, it's because it is absolutely chucking it down.
We were, yeah.
So we drive out. Wow!
Oh my
the
god.
frisbee's gone. And if you like that, and if you appreciate the dedication that we put into making these videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit like, and also comment.
Surprisingly busy. Like last time we were here, it rained, but today's been raining more than that time, isn't it?
And it's busy, yeah.
Yeah. It's all happening on
You've got a You had like a donut.
It always does me dirty, doesn't it?
You had like a donut for hair on your forehead.
Well, I was going to say anyway, after that rude interruption, there's a lot, yeah, it's all going on here at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Wedding photo shoots. I always feel sad that the wedding dresses that you wear at the beach are just meant to get like destroyed, aren't they?
I would assume so, yeah.
Get soaked by seawater.
And sandy.
I wonder what the actual finished product is like, because obviously it's not that much of a nice day, is it?
No.
It'd be pretty cool to see.
Not the most ideal day for it though, is it?
No, unfortunately not.
Entrance?
The entrance, yes.
This little marquee shop kind of area.
Things, yeah.
This is where the light show is, isn't it?
Yes, it is indeed.
Very beautiful this beach, isn't it?
Yeah, it's super nice.
Really relaxing, peaceful.
Yes, the sand's really nice. There's not a lot of like shells at all, are there, to be honest?
You can also surf as well. We left our surfboards in Thailand and
In Bali.
in Bali, that's the one. Left our surfboards in Bali, and we found out that every single beach here people are bloody surfing, aren't they?
Yes, but they don't have the attachments on the bikes here for surfboards.
No.
I mean, you can probably get them, but they're not readily available, are they?
Exactly.
Restaurants, massage places along here?
Yeah, they have. No, thank you. Thank you though.
The massive flower thingy.
So the light festival is called Aqua Lumina. It's being brought to boost the economic tourism zone, I found out, and it's doing a tour of Thailand. It's not just in Phuket, it's in Krabi, Pattaya I think as well.
Oh, this festival?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get your steaks, hot dogs.
Hot dogs, little hot pot thingy, looks like.
Tea, coffee and a bar.
This is the activity zone to my
Some
right.
little markety bits, haven't you? Got a balloon, Sabrina?
I don't know, it's really cute actually. Yeah, flower balloon.
Grab some food, little bite to eat, aren't
Yeah,
we? Sea breeze.
While we wait for things to kind of kick off a little bit.
We got a club sandwich last time, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
Yeah, it was a bit.
Oh, there it is. Ooh, banana mango honey toast, that looks nice.
Should we go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hello.
Oh, that's sour.
What did you get then?
Honey lemon soda.
Ah.
What did you get?
I just got a chang, which I found out the other day means elephant.
Does mean elephant, yeah.
So there you go.
Well, you know, eh?
Zabby's stolen the bloody cat.
Lovely.
Someone's got to. I got the beef krapow with fried egg. Super spicy.
Super spicy, yeah?
Yeah.
We've got some battered fried squid as well, don't we?
Calamari, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's in the menu though, squid. Calamari, though. We've got a little guest here. Got our calamari now. Quite a lot, isn't it? Cat's not interested at all in the food, is he?
No, he just wants to cuddle, doesn't he?
Yeah. Right, so we have just left Seabreeze, haven't we?
Yeah, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
5, really?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it was super spicy, to be fair.
It was.
Mine.
Kebabs.
Ooh, those look really nice, don't they?
That was amazing.
Yum. So we're just going to check out these stalls over here. We haven't done so yet, have we? They had like little animals that you can paint, and that stall over there. Oh, the little teddy bear things, yeah.
We've also got like a wishing star thing
They've got
there.
magnets over there. You've got like little Sharpie things you can draw on the wall. Fresh fruit juice.
Loads of options, loads of little bits.
Yeah, little snacky bits. What are these? Pancake thingies. Ooh, that's
สามารถเพลิดเพลินไปกับโซนต่างๆและการแสดงพิเศษ
Mooncakes, ice cream, croissants, fish croissants and samosas. I guess it's the last day, some people haven't bothered coming to it. Ooh, that little quail eggs or something. Whoa, look at those. That looks tasty, doesn't it?
Get yourself some roots.
Caviar. I know, I saw the sign.
Bloody hell.
These thingies. Little key rings and magnets. They're pretty cool little souvenir things you get to bring home. What's this little... Oh, you get this little game thing. Get to fish out something from that little swimming pool. Yeah. These are cute though, aren't they? Right, we're going to head over to the light show again now, because you can see it more now it's darker.
Better now, isn't it?
Yeah. Those balloons are so cute.
8:30 p.m. and meet the fire performance or Hawaiian dance at 9:30.
Thailand's all about those selfies, isn't it?
Yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cute. Look at these dangling flowers on the lights. They're cool as well, aren't they?
They are. Very full moon party vibe-ish, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Even the music is a little bit like...
Trippy dippy.
Yeah.
That was the light show, guys. Bit short and sweet. Not sure what I think about that.
Yeah. Is this one already, right, or not?
Same thing, I think.
Oh, I see. That was a bit like dubsteppy, wasn't it?
Yeah, weird.
Cool, yeah.
This place is sick though, isn't
Yeah, I
it?
love these are like massive like mushroom type things, aren't they?
Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they?
They really are. Even though the area's like not that big, like it is really pretty. I like what they've done with it.
Selfie space, isn't it?
Definitely, a lot of people are taking the selfies and stuff.
ดีแอนรีวิวดรอยจะเอานี้นะคะ
ได้กุญแจกับไฟทองผักบุ้งไฟแดง
The pinky lovely beautiful flowers there.
Should we go?
Think so.
What do you think?
It was pretty cool. Like it's really pretty and stuff. Good for like selfies and like Instagram, I guess.
I think if the weather was better and the atmosphere was better, if there was more people, it'd be a lot more successful.
Maybe when it first opened, because obviously it's the last day, it would have been more packed out. But I mean, there's not a lot to do in between now and 9:30, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, that's what show them on the board, like generally the area looks bigger than how it actually is in person.
Yeah, it's not big, is it?
Like illuminated sculpture. Message from the ocean.
Yeah, when is that? What's that? When is that? You see, this message from the ocean isn't on, I don't think. To be fair, it's been a nice little evening out. It's been amazing, actually, to be fair. I've really enjoyed it. It was really cool.
Yeah, the neon lights are really cute, you know. I like that kind of thing. It's really
And if you're in Phang Na or Krabi in the next few weeks, it's going there. So you can catch it there.
Yeah, I wonder what they're going to be like, identical.
I think it's going to be the same thing.
Okay.
Still cool though, it's free as well, which is a big plus.
Well, they have food trucks and stuff and activities as well, so yeah, I don't really go to it. When it first starts up, it'll be more
pumping, won't it?
Anyway, won't it?
Yeah, that just about wraps this one up, guys. Sorry it's been a bit of a short and sweet one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. Have you seen a light show? Leave it in the comments. We haven't seen one yet, clearly. Sub,
comment. How's the saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Because you just said sub. I was like, what are the rest of them?
Yeah. Peace.
See you in the next one.